How to add variants in Shopify. Let's dive in. First things first, log into your Shopify account. You know, that magical place where dreams of becoming the next e-commerce mogul begin. Once you're in, slide over to the product section on the left, like you're casually scrolling through Netflix, but with way more money-making potential. Signing up for Shopify. In the description of this video, you'll find a special sign-up link that will enable you to extend your trial for an additional 3 months. So make sure you use that link to save some money. Got a shiny new product? Hit that Add Product button like it owes you money. Already have one? No worries, just scroll through your list and click on that familiar friend. We're about to give it a fancy upgrade. Think of it as a product glow-up. Now, here's where things get juicy. Scroll down to the variant section and hit plus add options like size or color. In the option name field, type in something descriptive, size, color, or maybe even level of awesomeness. Okay, maybe not that last one, or maybe yes. 4 option values. Think small, medium, large for size, or red, blue, green for color. Shopify's cool like that. It lets you have up to 3 options. Because, we don't want things getting too wild here. Here's where you flex those business muscles. Set unique prices, SKUs, which sounds fancy, but is just your product's secret identity, and barcodes for each variant. Want that XXL hoodie to cost a bit more? Go for it. Shopify's got your back. All right, take a deep breath and hit save. That's it. Like sealing a deal with a virtual high five. Your variants will now strut their stuff on your product page like they're on a Shopify fashion runway. Need to add more jazz to an existing product? No problemo. Head back to the product page, hit that plus add another option button, and let your creativity run wild. Or at least, as wild as Shopify's 3-option limit lets you go. And boom, you're officially a Shopify variant wizard. Man-made now your customers can pick and choose like they're at an all-you-can-eat buffet. Except, with products. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more OG tips, and drop a comment if you want me to tackle any other Shopify mysteries. Catch you in the next one. Stay legendary, OG fam.